Hey everyone, and once again, welcome to WS Cube Tech English channel. Myself, Umar Taskir. Guys, in this particular video of Facebook ad series, we are basically going to see that how can we actually block visits of our team into our Facebook pixel. So that our data remain fresh, our data remain genuine, because this time we do not want our team's visit, which are happening on our website, should be there into our Facebook pixels. So how can we do this thing? How can we block our team members from seeing our advertisement or seeing our campaign which is running, right? So this is what we are going to do. So for this particular purpose, what we will do is, suppose we have this website which is with us and we have different pages on our website like WordPress training, like this Cake PHP training, HTML5 and CSS training. So we have these different pages and the URLs of all these different pages are live, right? So these are open. Anyone who is coming onto our website can easily visit on different pages, right? So as soon as they will visit on different pages, this thing will be recorded into Facebook pixel. Now what we will do is, we will create, right, we will go ahead and create a random URL. Suppose we have created this particular random URL. Now let me copy this thing and write this thing over here so that you can understand the steps very easily. Now we are going ahead and creating a random URL. Now as we know that we have created a random URL, creation of random URL. Now this URL is only known to me, right, and it is only known to our team. So there are like no chances that anyone else will click on this particular URL, right? So what we will do is, we will hit on this URL. I'll hit on this URL. Along with this, my team members will hit on this URL, so their visit will be recorded, because now this particular URL is present on our website and our website has Facebook pixel installed on it. So if anyone is coming onto any URL of our website, Facebook pixel will track that thing, Facebook pixel will record that thing. So now Facebook pixel knows that, okay, there is a URL where some visits happened, right? Some visits happened. So Facebook knows that this URL has some traffic. Now what we will do is, the strategic part is, we will go ahead into our audiences section and we will create a custom audience over there, right? We will create a custom audience over there, and when we will be creating custom audience, the condition will be, or the members of that particular audience will be people who visited on this random URL, right? Condition will be visits of this random URL. Let me write this thing over here, visits of this URL. So the members of this particular audience will be visitors of this particular URL, right? So this is the strategy. And now when we will be creating our campaign, what we will do is, we will exclude this audience, right? We will exclude this audience. So the steps are, first of all, what we are going to do is, we are going to create a random URL. We will make sure that our each team member and even me are hitting that particular URL, right? Are basically visiting on that particular URL, so that that particular thing gets recorded into Facebook pixel. And using the power of Facebook pixel, we will create one audience right over here. We will go into this section and we will click on audiences and we will create one audience over here, defining the condition that anyone who visited on that particular um, page, random page, will come into that particular audience set, and whenever we will be creating any campaign, we will exclude this audience from there, right? So this thing will exclude me and my team from that particular campaign. This is one way. Another way of excluding your internal team from seeing the campaign can be, you can go ahead and create custom audience, right? This time also you have to create custom audience, but this time you have to create or upload list, right? So you have to upload customer list this time, and you have to create your custom audience based on customer list. So here you have to put the name, phone number, right? Phone number, email address, right, and address, whatever information you can have, right? You have to put all these information into an Excel sheet, and then you have to upload that Excel sheet in the form of customer list, and this information will be of your team, right? So this time you are again creating a custom audience, right? But this time the method of creating custom audience is not website based. This time the method is customer list based, where you are having details of your internal team. You will create this customer list and then you will upload this customer list into Facebook ads system, And whenever you are going ahead and creating any campaign, you will exclude this particular audience set. So these two strategies will make sure that your internal team is not seeing any advertisement, and if they are not seeing any advertisement, they will not click on that advertisement, and that click will not be recorded as paid click, right, as paid click or ad click into your Facebook pixel system and Facebook ad system. So this is what we can do, and these are the different hacks or small tricks that you can implement to avoid the situation of mixing your internal visits with external visits, right? So that's it for this specific video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.